welcome to KBGCat TV, and today is a special day because my favorite is making a comeback, our Kalabasa Ukoy. But for today, I've never tried this and we will try it to make Papaya Ukoy. So, welcome back to our kitchen! So for our Kalabasa Ukoy, here are the ingredients. Since we vlogged it before so fast, so for those who want it longer or more detail, here it goes. So we need carrots that we would shred later, as well as the kalabasa, of course, spring onion leaves. We would also need a cup of flour and a cup of cornstarch. We need onions, pepper, salt, egg, shrimp, and water. And on the garlic is for the vinegar for dipping later. So for our papaya ukoy, we will be using the same ingredients except that our veggie would be papaya. We could add bean sprouts, and also we would need to add annatto powder to add color. Masarap maraming sibuyas, and we use red kasi mas malasa. So I am preparing 2 bowls kasi I'm preparing 2 kinds of ukoy. So I will just separate it. So both will have the onions. So just separate the onions. So we are making the papaya first. And shout out to Kenny, Salad Master Healthy Cooking. We're using Salad Master, Kenny. So we got all our veggies shredded. Again, the papaya ukoy is just papaya itself, onion, spring onions, and then the rest here. So we'll need a teaspoon of salt for each bowl. And then we'll prepare the batter. And then we'll mix it to blend the salt. So we do the same with the kalabasa to mix the salt. So let's make the batter. We will need the cup of flour, cup of cornstarch. These are all of the rest of the ingredients that we'll put together. We add the water. The egg. One teaspoon of salt. We'll add some pepper. So these are all the ingredients except the annatto powder. We'll have the annatto powder just for the papaya. So I'll pour half of this mixture to the kalabasa, and then the other half I'll add the annatto powder, mix it well, and add it to our papaya. So the other half, as I mentioned, I'll add annatto powder to add color for our papaya ukoy. See the color? Alright, it's ready to mix. Alright, so we heated our pan, and it's time to put oil. Okay, so let's make sure the cooking oil is already hot. And now we'll add our papaya ukoy. And so I just added the kalabasa ukoy on the other side. Alright, so Peach is done frying the ukoys and it's time to try it. So we have found that the papayas are, I think it's, speaking of carbs, it's less kasi yung squash are starchy. Pero, this is the papaya. And this is the familiar taste sa mga palengke. Kasi sa Philippines, ito yung nabibili. Papaya ukoy. Yun naman kalabasa. It's more sweet. Pero yung sabi ko nga, it's starchy. Pero I like them both. The papaya ended up to be crunchier when just cooked. Pero all in all, they both taste good. So, to all the papaya lovers or the ukoy lovers, cheers! So, happy anniversary to us in YouTube. It's been a year, and please continue liking and subscribing and sharing our videos. Please continue watching. God bless. Bye.